Good morning from Bucharest. It is my first day here. I arrived yesterday, but I went straight to the hostel and slept, or tried to sleep. But now I'm heading to the walking tour meeting point, which, as you've probably noticed before, is one of the first things I do once I get to a new city. Okay, I just got the meeting point, and it seems that we have a smaller group, which I prefer actually, so yay! Okay, we finished with the tour. It was quite nice actually, and I went back to the hostel to upload a video, and now I'm heading back to the old town to find something to eat and exchange some money, because they have a lei here, which is 4 point something to euro. But yeah, I'm going to grab something to eat. First impressions of Bucharest, actually I really like it. It's very green, it has lots of parks, it has quite a French architecture, I would say. Okay, so I just managed to exchange some money. Actually, there are not many exchange places in the old town. It took me quite a while to find one, but it was the best rate I found so far. Yesterday at the airport it was 1 to 4.15, and today here it was 1 to 4.7, so quite a difference. But they didn't give me a receipt or anything, so quite sketchy, but it's okay. Okay, so I just got to the restaurant. I ordered some food, which I'm still going for, and a lemonade, which comes in this huge bottle, which I love, and I love lemonade. So, and I heard that in Romania you should order if they make like fresh lemonade, and this is fresh actually. So the food is also here. I ordered some Romanian traditional dish, which is skinless sausages with mustard and fried potatoes basically, and there's some pepper here as well. With a meal. That meal costed me 42 lei, so a little bit less than 10 euros, which was a pretty good price because it was at the part of the old town, so more touristy I would say. But it was recommended from our guide, that's why I went there, and it was good. And now I will try to go to the Bucharest train station to pick up my ticket for tomorrow, because I don't want to leave it for last minute. I'm at the train station, and after lots of searching and going to the wrong office multiple times, I finally have my tickets for tomorrow, because I made the reservation, I paid for them, but then I had to come and pick them up basically. So many parks, I cannot wait to run tomorrow. I stopped at the supermarket and got some fresh oranges because vitamins, they're important, especially when you travel. Okay, so I'm ready to leave the hostel right now. I got some rest and now I'm going to a rooftop bar. Apparently Bucharest is kind of famous for drinking and partying at night, but I'm not gonna party at 7 o'clock. I'm just going for a cocktail at one of the rooftops here. Also, let me show you my outfit. It's the only nicer thing I've brought with me. So I'm just wearing that. Right now I'm at a very famous bookstore here in the old town in Bucharest, and it's so beautiful. But a cocktail is calling my name, so I'm on my way now there. Okay, the bookstore doesn't only sell books, it has like all this little cutesy stuff, mugs and things, so I'm definitely coming back tomorrow just to spend some time here. Battery is dying. I have my pina colada here. I will enjoy that, and I will see you tomorrow.